Hello, this is Reza from RADACAD, and in this short video I'm going to show you a method that you can use to achieve the non-digit parts of a text or digits parts of a text based on some Power Query transformations in Power BI. Let's see how it works. As you can see here, I have a table of some sample values, and these values, they have like digits, non-digit characters, and these non-digit characters can be even non-alphabet characters. Let's say you want to extract only digits from let's say only remove digits and keep everything else, all non-digits value. Now in Power Query, to get to the Power Query, of course, you need to go to transform data part of Power BI to get Power Query. In Power Query, we have like a split option, which you can go and say split this column by digit or non-digit, but that would split it at every scenario. So if I use it, I just use it and then remove it just to show you how it works. If I say, for example, by digit to non-digit or something like that, it would create multiple columns. It doesn't give me all digits in one column, non-digits in another column, and it also ends up with values like this, as you can see here, which has digits and non-digits in it, right? So it's not a useful scenario for me, right? I'm going to remove that. You can, however, use a function, use text.remove, called text.remove, and to use that function, you can simply say add column, add custom column. And when you add a custom column, this is the version you can use, which is quite simple. You just need to say text.remove. This is the input column that you have, and this is a list of 0 to 9 as digit values. This is creating that list. So this will remove every value that is between 0 to 9. As a result, this would be a column like this. The digits removed is the column that is outcome of that expression. You can download that expression from the blog article link down below in the description. Now, what if you want to remove everything else but keep numbers? For doing that, you can do a little tweak in this, which is this operation. So we use still that text.remove to remove those parts that are not numbers. So this would be outputting anything that is not a number, which is basically like all other characters. Then we go and remove those characters from here. So as a result, we will only keep numbers. There are, of course, some other ways to achieve this, but these two methods are quite simple and they work quite fast as well, to keep digits only or to remove all the digits, right? Download the code from description down in the description below. And if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have weekly videos of Power BI and AI.